Based at the foothills of the Catoctin Mountains in Frederick, Maryland, Kellerton is a luxurious, high-end community offering a premium living experience. Explore a variety of floor plans that can be fully customized to meet your lifestyle and preferences. From first floor owner suite to two-story family rooms, each floor plan offers structural and decorative options that bring your unique vision to life. Our single-family floor plans range up to 4,200 square feet and offer up to 7 bedrooms. Kellerton's serenity is matched by its convenience to major commuter routes, located within an hour's drive of DC and Baltimore. Downtown Frederick boasts world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment only a few minutes away. Calling Kellerton home also provides access to a large variety of community amenities, highlighted by a clubhouse with a fitness center and an Olympic-sized pool. Kellerton also features a dog park, walking trails, and a close proximity to 3 city parks with several additional amenities. Come home to Kellerton and enjoy an amenity-rich lifestyle in a home built just for you.